Hello, Carlos. Happy Friday to you. I did want to shoot this quick video for you to kind of go over some of the things that I'm talking about in the email I'm sending to you, just so you have a better understanding of exactly what I do and how you get found on Google. So, of course, this is our new website. It looks great, has the keywords blackened out for Google to make it easier to find you and to Google crawl your site. Our numbers, however, are not looking great so far. Now, these numbers will go off because I did send off the Google My Business postcard this week. I've done 4 social media accounts. I've also done some citations, which is just your name, address, and phone number, of course, across different directories. So that's going to make these numbers go up a little bit. But it's not going to be enough to really be in the top 3 on the Google My Business listings or the organic searches. So let's go ahead and go look at someone who is. I want to go show you a couple of things really quickly though. First of all, normally at the top of here, we're going to have some Google ads. And if I put in a couple of different search terms, I'm sure we'd have some more of those. Then we have the Google My Business ads. They're not quite as expensive as the regular Google ads. And then we have the Google My Business listings, which is great to be in the top 1, 2, or even 3 of those. And then we have the organic search results. And you pull, if we were found either on the Google My Business in the first 3 or the organic searching in the first 3, that would pull a lot of business depending on which search terms we were being found for. The round ducking, I think, was 2,000 searches a month. So even if we were pulling 5 to 10% of that, I mean, that's 100 to 200 phone calls every month just from that one search term. So let's go ahead and we're going to go look at US Ducks numbers. They have a great website, and it's definitely someone that we would want to go look at and see what they're doing. So this is some of their backlinks that they have right here. A lot of these are paid advertisements, so depending on what your advertising budget was, would depend on whether or not you wanted to get in with them. But let's go look at their numbers. So their UR is a 36, and that represents their trust with Google for their homepage. And then their DR is a 38, and that is their entire website, Google's trust. As you can see, these numbers are pretty close together, and we call that the golden ratio in my industry. The closer these numbers are together, shows a very healthy website and a very healthy trust with Google. Now, Google is very much like a popularity contest. So when it comes to backlinks and the referring domains, all a backlink is where a link is put on a referring domain or a website, and it pulls power from their website to your website, which in turn gives you more trust with Google, because you really want to have high quality backlinks. You really want to have websites that their numbers are higher, they're closer together. It shows they're not spammy backlinks, because they can actually hurt your website. So I would be going to our top competitors, and I'd be finding where they're getting their best backlinks from, and I'd be copying that. And so that's how we're going to beat your competition online with that. Super simple, but very time consuming. It's something that I've had extensive training on to be able to do this. We really want to get guest post blogs, which is just where you have a blog post, and sometimes you have to pay for it, sometimes you don't. And that's where you put your backlink pointing back to your domain, back to G2's domain. And before we go, let me just show you what I have been doing. So right here we have our social media accounts. We also have the directories I put on there so far. Here's a couple of things that was off US Ducks website that I was just going to check out to see if there's any way we could get on those, because they had some pretty good numbers right here. This is the URDR that we were just talking about. So this is very time consuming. I haven't really gotten any responses back yet, so it'd be something that would take me some time to be able to do. But I'd love to be able to do it for you, Carlos, because I would love for G2's website to be more than just an online business card. I'd really like for people to, when they search ductwork or round ductwork or rectangular or metal fabrication or whatever it is we decide we want to be found for, that they pull up our website first. So I hope that you have enjoyed this video. I look forward to talking to you about any questions that you might have about it, and deciding a game plan and how we're going to proceed. So thanks so much. I hope you have a great weekend. Talk to you soon. Bye, Carlos.